Getting all the wires out. Measured. Got our cut marks drawn on there. Definitely make sure the front's chopped. Plasma cutter out. Brand new, never used it. See how it works cutting this frame. This is how not to prop up a truck. As you can see, it fell over. Probably not. Hopefully it didn't mess the tanks up. We are jacked up after the great fall. And it didn't hurt anything at all. Nice soft dirt on the ground. We lucked out. Note to self. Here's the extra section of frame rail we picked up off of Marketplace. Plasma cutter did pretty good. One done. That'll be all ground and sand smooth. Isn't the prettiest, got a weld spatter. I think the ground on the welder is hot, loose, pretty spattery, but looking pretty good so far. Have to shimmy it over just a hair maybe. It's getting kind of dark now, so this is where we are leaving it off on day one. It is set together. Just we need to do a lot of shimmying and triple measuring. This is day 2. Ratchet straps holding it together, clamping it, measuring it 1,000 times. We do have it pretty dang. It's within a 32nd of an inch square, and each length side to side is dead on. Not much more to see stretching it and cutting it wise. We got jack tension on there to hold it true, and the 2 jacks are here holding it yet. Once we get the support pieces on the inside, get it all welded up and take all the jacks off and see if it breaks in half. Hopefully we're all right, right? Hopefully. So it looks like before, kind of a gap, put a V, little bevel or some before it's over in, but that weld has no structural value at all, really. Series new drive shaft, got new U-joints in it. Got that off the internet, I forget where. All sanded up. I'm taking off the jacks and hopefully nothing. So, Crossmember go here and be just like that one.